What's going on, everyone? Mike with Digital Playbook here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to walk you through step-by-step process that I'm using in my own company. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to give you access to everything for free inside of my group. You're going to get a full checklist with all different types of videos. I'm going to be giving you a free course as well, on top of all kinds of really cool free stuff like done for you short form videos so you can start posting on Facebook, Instagram. I'm even going to give you free trials to the tools I use. So everything that you can get started with today is completely free. Now, if you want me to keep you updated with all this and all the free stuff that I'm doing, just go ahead and leave a comment right now. Let me know you're taking action, and let's go ahead and dive into the video. Alrighty, so first thing that we're going to do in the notes right here is number one is get the checklist. So all we need to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com. Go ahead and put in your information, Chad, that's obviously a fake name, fake email, and click send here, and you get redirected to a page that looks like this. This is the group where the checklist is hosted in, and right now we have 24 people in there, and it is free. So I started this just a couple days ago, already 24 people. Once we get to 100 members, I am going to put a paywall on here because the checklist and these systems are way too valuable to just have people in here that aren't going to be taking action. So you'll get direct access to me, done for you social media content, which I'm going to be showing you here shortly, pre-written email sequences, and the massive checklist with AI tools and tutorials. So once you log in, you'll get taken to this, which is the digital playbook and the checklist. So this is going to be home base, where when you're going through everything, this is where you're going to want to be. I have literally drop down arrows where you can check off. We got the tutorials over here. But let's go ahead and go back to the notepad just to make sure that I stay on track. Number two is we're going to select a tool. Now, I'm obviously in the AI niche, but you can choose whatever type of tool or whatever type of service or product that you want to promote. But right here is I have a list of 130 AI tools that you can get paid to promote, which means to have an affiliate program. The top ones right here, probably the top 7. I'll go top 10. I use all these. Those are the main ones that I'd recommend, top picks, the ones that I promote and I am promoting. All these other ones I've used, some of them I still promote, some of them I don't, but that's for another video. So for the most part, to sign up for a tool, doesn't matter which one it is, you just got to scroll down to the bottom and they will have something where it says partner or affiliate program, and you would just hit become an affiliate, sign up, and then it will give you an affiliate link that looks like this. Now, a tool that I really like right now is this tool called Traffic ID. What it is you put a little script on your website, and whether or not people fill in the opt-in forms, you have about a 30 to 40% chance of getting their information just because they were on your website. So this is a tool that I really like. I use it for my landing page because I've already gotten 10, 12 leads out of it. So let's go back to the notepad. We selected AI, we selected our tool. Now it's time to replicate content. So what does that mean? Is you can do what I'm doing, which I am going down here and I am using, funny enough, a tool called Replicate, which allows me to create images of myself, and I'm turning these images into short form content. But if you're just starting out, what I would suggest is going over here, and I have a folder full of done for you short form content that you can go ahead and use to make your videos, which I'm going to show you in this video. So let's just take download, just downloading some random ones. Boom. So I'm downloading about 4 videos, and then what I'm going to do is go over here to prompts and just pick one of these prompts. These are the prompts that I use for social media, and I'm going to go ahead and go to ChatGPT. So what I'm telling ChatGPT to do is I'm going to tell it to take this script or prompt and give me 2 different variations of it. There we go. And then obviously for your domains or affiliate links, just switch out which ones that work for you. So I would use this one for an example. Now, what you need to do once you have those downloaded is go to a tool called CapCut. This is the tool that I use for all my editing of the short form content. What I have right here is different spaces where I have my AI voices, the AI clones that I make, which is the images. These are the AI clones of the videos that I'll put in the Gen 3 to generate the moving segment of it. These are just some Leonardo.ai videos that I made, and then background music. But since we just downloaded those to my computer, we need to go to downloads. Let's import all these. And so, boom. Looks like I added all 4 of them in there. What we want to do is, okay. So now we're at the part where we need an AI voice. So you can either use 11 Labs, or if you have a microphone, you can create the script yourself. For this case, I'm going to go into 11 Labs. 11 Labs, you do get some free credits. So let's go to AI tools. We're going to click on 11 Labs. Good. So 3 websites they don't want you to know about. 1, shopifybots.com, your blueprint to creating clothes. 2, good enough. Now pick the voice. Let's go with George.
Three websites they don't want you to know about. 1, shinefybots.com.
Now I'm going to go ahead and stop this because I think it's going to make you log in for a free account just so you can download it. So I'm just going to log into my account. There it is. There's already, this is a different script that I was using. All right, generate speech.
3 websites they don't want you to know about. 1, shinefybots.com, your blueprint to creating online clones.
Alrighty. So I was just, while it was playing, I was just kind of looking down here in the corner, make sure it hit 30 seconds, which made about sense for how long the script was. Then once it does, we're just going to hit download. Now we're going to go back to CapCut. We are going to go to import right here. We are going to import the 11 Labs audio. We are going to add it. As you can see, it's a little bit longer. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. Not an editor. But instead of doing what I did and just copy these, I have 300 other done for you videos. So you would just download another one. Now we're going to go to generate captions because we have the voiceover right here. And what I like to do is I just go to captions, I go to templates, and I like to use one of the trending ones that has an emoji on it. Click right there. It's going to give you a little sample, or it should. Generating captions. And then voila, got this. Background music. I'll add some background music. Where did I get my background music from? I'll just type in like royalty-free music, and I honestly just use the same one. I honestly use the same background music and just edit out different parts because it's so long. I just have 4 in there. So I'm just going to keep it at the beginning since I'm just making this quick. But what you could do, as you can see how this is taking me not that long to make, and then you can just get it a rhythm to where you have the AI voices, you have ChatGPT, you'll just copy paste. Let me just show you what the final product looks like.
3 websites they don't want you to know about. 1, shinefybots.com, your blueprint to creating online clones that make money for you. 2, digitalplaybook.com, a treasure chest of 400 plus tools that pay you to spread the word. And the third? Let's just say it's a game changer, a thought system.
So as you can see, pretty cool, pretty simple, but I'm going to show you how you can take it to the next level with using Replicate. So Replicate is the AI generation thing. I'm just going to show you one of the done for you ones with this. They don't want you to know about these 3 websites. AIArmyClone.com is an AI website that turns any text into viral AI generated content with one click. DigitalPlaybook.com has a list of 400 plus AI tools. The neat part, these AI tools pay you every time you promote them. So as you can see, just by using Gen 3 and images of myself, I took the AI portion to a whole nother level. But the videos that you see from that very first one inside the digital playbook, these will work. The whole point is of getting views. And if you post once, twice a day, you're going to start getting views. You're going to start warming up your account. So going back to the notepad, we replicated some content. Now it's time to send traffic to that link. And what I mean by that is just posting content on your social media platforms. So inside of high level, there's an area over here called marketing. And this is where the social planner is. And that allows you to connect your social media accounts and then schedule them out up to months in advance. So what I'll do end of the month is schedule out all my content for the month. So here, probably next week, I'm going to start getting ready to schedule out my content for January. But what you would do is you go to settings. You're going to connect your social media accounts. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn is another really good social media platform that I don't create content on, but if you're brand new, that would be one of the main ones to start with. But Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube are the ones that I do. But if you already have a little bit of a following on LinkedIn, definitely add that to the playbook of social media accounts. So you'll connect those, and then once you have those connected, you're going to come over here. And that video that we just made on CapCut, you would have saved it, downloaded it, and then what you would do is, what is today, the 22nd? We'll just go here, and you would hit post to, select all your accounts, type something right here like respond with yes, and it could be anything. You can use ChatGPT to help you write an engaging description. Then we got 2 buttons right here that you'll use the most, which is the image and the video. And for this case, we'll do video. Obviously right here, you're not gonna have anything. You're gonna hit upload file. Then it's gonna take you to your computer like this. Boom, you'll import a video, it'll import. You'll click right here and then it'll load. Voila. Come down here, schedule it out, and you'll schedule it. So you'll schedule it out for the whole month, and then voila. You have all your short form set up for the whole week, and now you can focus on long form, which is YouTube videos like this, making blogs for your website, creating threads on Twitter, LinkedIn. But that is the process. Now, going to the very last thing, I think I just covered it, is automate and repeat. So get more content, start sending more traffic, get more content, start sending more traffic. Now, the last thing I wanted to touch on is back in the digital playbook, which is over here in the FAQs. Actually, it's not, it's right down here. This is the daily checklist. So go live once a day. So I don't even do that. 1 long form a day, 1 email, and 1 short. If you can do these 3 things starting off, you will start to see success. Like I said, the long form can be a YouTube video, LinkedIn, just something that's longer than a minute or 30 seconds if that. 1 email. Obviously, you might not have an email list. That's fine. Start focusing on getting traffic. But once you have 10, 12 people opt in, that's an email list that you can start advertising to and promoting your different products. Short, image, thumbnail, and then you're in the game. You just gotta stay consistent and take action. That is why I created this group, so you can DM me, access to the Discord. But once we start getting more people, I'm here to help. Let me know what you're struggling with. The biggest thing is people, that golden object syndrome. But I'm gonna quit ranting right now. Just wanted to make this video, show you what to do, join the digital playbook, get the checklist, and I'll see you guys in the next one.